Hey guys, Josh RV Nerd here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan, and I'm inviting you to take part in our 29th annual Spring Fling sales event here at Haylett RV, signaling 29 years in business. This is basically what a lot of places would call their open house. This is our biggest event of the year, and it's really our big summer camping kickoff. It's the camping season kickoff here in the Midwest. Takes place the last 2 weeks of April here. You know, like any open house event, we're going to have all the campers opened up. We're going to have special interest rates, things that you've heard 100 times in 100 different commercials, and you hear them every year, and you probably tune them out at this point. And that's why I wanted to put this video together, to invite you folks to basically cut the line, jump ahead of everybody, and don't miss a day of camping. Get your camper picked out now before the mad rush and the mob comes through here and our salesmen are all overwhelmed. Give our team a call this week where you get to take advantage of all the same pricing, all the same rates, all the same everything, but just with a better selection and more time to spend with you as a customer. So give our team a call here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan. Get the one that you've been looking at anyway and call dibs on it before somebody else does. And short of that, take care, stay safe, have fun, and happy camping, everyone.